Patent filing firms versus intellectual property solicitors. Which one is better for startups? Most startups get this wrong by thinking patent protection is just paperwork, but the surprising truth is that choosing between a patent filing firm and an intellectual property solicitor can shape the future of your business. Patent filing firms specialize in preparing and submitting patent applications. They streamline the process, using standardized templates and procedures to secure patents efficiently. For a tech startup with a simple invention, a filing firm can help quickly register your intellectual property without breaking the bank. Their expertise lies in administrative accuracy and compliance with patent office requirements. Intellectual property solicitors, however, offer a much broader range of services. They not only handle filings but also provide strategic advice on patentability, infringement risks, licensing agreements, and enforcement. For example, if a startup is developing a complex AI algorithm, an IP solicitor can advise on protecting trade secrets, drafting non-disclosure agreements, and handling disputes if competitors copy your technology. Their involvement ensures your patents are not just filed but legally robust and enforceable. So, which is better? For straightforward inventions or early-stage startups with limited budgets, patent filing firms are efficient and cost-effective. But for high-value innovative technologies where legal strategy and risk management are critical, IP solicitors are indispensable. Many startups find a hybrid approach works best, starting with a filing firm for basic protection, then consulting a solicitor for strategic advice and complex cases. The key takeaway is that protecting your innovation isn't just about filing documents, it's about creating a defensible, strategic advantage. The surprising truth is that investing in the right intellectual property guidance early can save startups from costly disputes, lost revenue, or weak patents later. For startups ready to innovate with confidence, choosing the right approach to patent protection is a decision that can define long-term success.